Hey guys, welcome on in. Today is Wednesday, May 13th, and what we're working on today is conducting online research. That's right, that's actually part of our course. So we're going to do a mini research project today, and we only have two tasks. Task 1 is to read the daily learning targets. In this case, it really should be singular because we only have one. It says, I can conduct online research. And what are you researching? Glad you're thinking of that. Task 2 will tell us that. It says directions. Today you will begin conducting a research project by doing an online scavenger hunt. So you're going to be looking for information on multiple sites is what that means. And you are assigned to learn about one of Disneyland's most famous rides, now a former attraction, unfortunately, Tower of Terror. And here's the deal. You have the option to either copy and paste the following questions right down here. These are the Tower of Terror research questions. You can either copy and paste them in a Google Doc, or you can write your answers down on a piece of paper using a pencil or a pen. Either way is fine. Now, before I go any further, I'm going to tell you that these questions and your answers are not submitted for a grade. Instead, you'll have a quiz tomorrow, and on that quiz, any of these questions are fair game to appear. So it's going to be assumed that you have done all of the work from today, so you're ready for the quiz tomorrow. Okay, let's go ahead and move on. I'm going to show you real quick how this would work if I was going to copy and paste this. So I'm going to highlight all of this information. You can see it's all highlighted blue. Then I'm going to go to Google Docs, open it up, click paste, and now I've got all the questions in there. And one other thing I want to show you really quick is I provided some links like this one here, and any one of these links you can go ahead and click on and it'll take you to the website that you are desiring to go to. So if I wanted to go here, I would just highlight that, click, and now I've got the information. Now this is going to be a site where you find a lot of really cool ride videos, and the purpose of this is for you to actually be able to view what the ride experience would be like for the Tower of Terror. This is going to be especially helpful if you've never been on it. Okay, so that is a little bit about the links, and as far as what you're doing today, I think we've covered all the basic details. If you have any questions or concerns, please email me at chris.bagley@ccsdut.org. Otherwise, good luck on your research assignment, and remember to complete this so you can do great on the quiz tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in.